What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Vibe with Jody. You know we back with another banger. Y'all asked for it, so you know I gotta get it to you. We doing car content today. Boy, it's so hot outside though. It's hotter than my last hoe. But shit, you know I'm gonna get the content for y'all, know what I'm saying? I'm gonna turn y'all up, do everything, know what I'm saying? We're gonna get structured today. I'm not doing no lack and I'm getting structured for y'all, boys. So what we gonna do, we're gonna go everywhere today. Yo, but I gotta go fill up my car. My car over there. Had to put some oil, I had to get it right, know what I'm saying, for me get some new tires. Do a little something for y'all, know what I'm saying. But make sure y'all stay tuned. Thanks for the 15K subscribers. And we will be turning y'all up some more. On game, just stay tuned. On game.
Well, this one can be my twin because I got a scat shaker.
Oh, they made 5-7 shakers? I didn't know they did. I never knew that either. I think he just put the number on.
Oh, SRTJ. Wow.
I see the bitch. I hate that roof. I hate that roof. I hate that roof. I like that roof. Nah, that bitch, I need a new one. Hell no. He got his shit parked right there. Who shit that is? Damn, I want a new model, bro. These bitches just so clean, bro. I told you, they gonna change the bumper and shit. They gonna buy the bumper. This the nigga that always lose in the race. Your video still blowing though. He got 300K views.
I don't lose like that.
Oh yeah, no.
Man, all y'all pay that list.
Man, we gonna walk this thing here, man. I got on. Man, I know he had.
I did a motherfucker.
Shit, boy, but I got on jeans.
Also, 50-50 raffle tickets are being sold under the tent on $5 per ticket. Don't forget to go inside, get yourself some food and drink, something.
I didn't do it like this, dog. But it's stock though.
I instantly changed it, bitch.
Oh shit, my bad. That's your race right there. Chrysler for Chrysler. I ain't even gonna lie, you right. We would've known it was you. I'm all live.
Man, I ain't thinking on that. I get that bitch. I do a buku shit to that bitch. That bitch got the bronze wheels on that shit.
Right to the right, right to the left, to the left, right to the left. They nice though.
I see that bitch. I instantly saw that bitch. Then what the fuck you want though?
Yeah.
No. I'd be scared of this bitch. I think that bitch will break down on me on the highway. I'd be too scared of this bitch. Then he don't got no hitches on his hood. Oh yeah. I'd be scared of this bitch.
Oh yeah.
You know what you looking at? Oh. My bad.
That motherfucker ain't regular though.
Oh, he got a wheel off.
Oh.
I started looking, I'm like, his shit set up. No.
Then we got the body.
It really ain't shit here. So ugly. I never get no car like that.
We're racing the M3 or oh,
got two.
We ain't gonna talk about that. It really ain't nothing here though.
I'm like, last year had a little better cars. We just got more cars this year.
I hate this. Is he gonna sell his shit or is he gonna keep it? Cause I keep saying he gonna sell it, and I keep saying he ain't gonna sell it. He don't know what he gonna do to that bitch.
You know how people be.
Damn, who Camaro?
Any exotic shit?
Somebody need to sell me that stand again. I need a 360 camera again. Man, I just saw this other dude at the car wash. He didn't pull up though. Yeah, they finna shut this shit down. Oh, there's some cars down here too.
Ain't that many down here.
Oh yeah, they over there too. Yeah, final one to pop
Still
out.
in Florida.
I don't be popping out here, I just go shoot.
You're right, I fucking work.
Yeah, I need to come shoot.
No, man, I know. I got some shit in the boat.
Yeah, I got some shit put up, boy. Took me a little minute. I think this is my most expensive bill. I spent $800 on them. It because of parts.
Like 5.
It because them rainbow parts. Them bitches so high. I got my super safety and shit for free.
Slow ass Mustang right here though. Be like you, dog.
I collab with that.
But once I get
Oh,
through
sorry. Man, why I'm showing everybody know this car?
Shit off. Going. This whole thing is just slow.
Then he beat you? My bad. My bad.
He ain't beat mine.
That bitch so slow, he ain't in no parking spot. He ain't in no parking spot, that bitch so slow.
Damn, Jay ain't in either.
He got reserved parking. Oh shit. I ain't even see his
Yeah,
shit.
he ain't in.
Now that bitch kinda raw. Man, he finna show you that weak ass shit.
Got a Scat Pack, Challenger Shaker 21.
Man, this nigga gay as fuck. Who shit this is?
Who you trying to hold?
Huh?
I don't know.
My
Who,
bad,
I don't know
my bad.
who shit this is, but this shit hard, man. Got the brow tint, all that. Yeah, bad. Bad go crazy. Don't worry about the rim. We're gonna go to the other side. Don't show
That
the
Timo ad badge.
The steering wheel. They got a steering wheel? I heard.
Then he gonna try to unlock it. How you just gonna pop somebody's car, bro?
Easy. And strike that shit. Custom steering wheel.
I might well rob that nigga for a GoPro cam. I don't know who this is. Who is this? Who is this? I ain't never seen his shit before. Nigga, there's so many people that work at Amazon with stacks. I ain't never seen them in the city before. It's a lime green bitch that work up there. Why about that bitch so wrong?
That's what we gonna have. We gonna have a slide off. Cause you saying you the best slider. JD says he the best slider.
I'm the best cutter upper too. Be for real.
We top 5.
I'm top 1. What you mean? Y'all can't mess with me in Dallas. Hey, in Dallas they come fuck with me. In the VC. In the VC. In the VC. You was flooring it the whole way there.
You damn right.
We stopped 4 times for gas.
You thought y'all gonna get the ups on me?
We stopped 4 times for gas. Every time.
You thought you was gonna get the ups on me?
I'm not finna race him every time. Oh yeah, this will be me right here. Not the older model. Who?
They saying Cal.
Man, that him. he can't do nothing. Stay in Dallas. Damn, who shit this is? This my twin right here.
I thought it was you trying to cut up the traffic.
No, you know I got that orange. I get something like this. Who shit this is? Gotta be right there. RT.
And they got the biggies on the 07.
That bitch not that fat to have them bitches on there. Everybody got them bitches.
He got a whip.
I'm seeing all these cars. What the fuck? Damn, boy, you that swing?
I'm swing.
Yeah. That bitch wet as fuck. That little ass hair on your chest.
About the same size.
I'm getting at the meeting
Same size we all got.
on silk.
No.
No, don't put me on YouTube.
Look.
I don't want to be on YouTube.
What's going on though? Damn, who shit is it, cuz?
I don't know, man.
Oh, well, strike that nigga shit.
I heard
Whatever
that
it
shit
is.
twice today, but third time's a charm. Been a lot. You should have got a big origin. It came like that.
Oh, it came like that? What the fuck?
I got my rollers for.
I ain't even gonna lie.
You might well upgrade, man.
I'm gonna need Miss USA.
Come on, tours. Gator fried.
Is he finna park right now? He finna park right now. Oh, like crumble cookies out there, bitch. Yeah, he ain't got nothing. My shit louder than that.
Straight off the line.
No, straight from the bill. Straight from the bill with that. That shit sound like I'm pulling off. Just take me.
You need to stop that shit.
That
It's
bitch
gonna blow
so
up.
loud. Yeah, his car turned off, didn't it? I thought his car turned off.
It probably did. Let me try that out. Attention is once again, we're not liable. You won.
again, guys.
You won.
Get it! You got it!
You won, bro.
He won the last one.
That motherfucker loud, bro. I couldn't even record this shit. Hey. I don't know how you stand it right now.
Y'all know about this right here.
I want to hear that white piece.
She must know something.
She got a Camaro. Everybody came through light already? What the fuck he gonna do with this?
I'm looking at a booty outside. I got the right outfit.
You need to do something, man. I got that shit for you.
It be alive.
I don't know what
That bitch still got resonators on it though. If it go priceless swap man.
That bitch so ugly.
That bitch in here like cooking up. That bitch still got resonators.
They need to take that shit off. She trying to burn out.
I was trying to put my shit in the middle of parking reverse so I can rail. But you can't rail houses. You stop railing after like 3 rails. That's why I was trying to do like and they finna rail the damn
Hell no, they better keep going in that bitch. Man, she got some got that bitch.
son, it's the car I was sending y'all that I thought was mine, son. My brother.
Oh, that's your brother?
They say they going out. I see you had to get that. All the good. I ain't gonna do all.
You hear me now? I probably can't hear shit on my damn phone. He probably busted my damn mic.
I need you to follow me on MySpace.
MySpace. What's that
He ain't gonna bring his fight.
I just been doing the gun content right now. Ah, this nigga on BMW.
Nah, I'm finna swap that bitch though. That bitch gonna be my daily.
tall white guy?
Yeah, that's gonna be the daily.
That thing sounds good.
Well, 4 years ago, so I'm trying to rush it.
Think about you. I don't know if I wanna get a 330 eye.
That bitch, so I'm trying to put my head like so I can do it.
Why the boy truck didn't come up here? No. What truck? Him! He got me fucked up. Hey!
Greyhound, it's my first day out. He used to be the brick man, he doing burpees now. I ain't never